He needs some milk!
What up, guys? It's ZapieZan here, and I know I look like a fucking cancer patient. And you know why? Cause fuck you. That's why. Not really. So the only reason I look like a cancer patient is that my hair looks like actual fucking shit. Glasses, just for extra swag, cause now I wanna fucking kill myself. You know, fuck this hat. This is gonna be the first vlog, in real life vlog. Guys better get used to look at this fucking mess that you might not even be able to call a face. So yeah, the only reason I'm doing in real life stuff is cause I have a camera. Worth a little more than my life. Yeah, but it's always nice when things are worth more than your life, isn't it? Then you have something valuable in your life. That's fucking beautiful. So pretty much, I'm just gonna stop this here. Not the video. Don't worry about that. I thought up something. So I'm gonna give you guys some survival tips. Cause I'm pro survivor, you know. I survived playing CS for almost 1,000 hours. You guys better fucking enjoy, cause this is a waste of my time. What's up? Welcome to Out in Nature with Zapie. So first thing you want to start out with is pull that motherfucking knife out of your pocket that you always have. Fuck, gotta open this shit up. See, very strong knife, better than a karambit. So what you want to start out with is you want to create a campfire, because you can't be cold at night. So let's just oh fuck, that was dripping wet, motherfucker. So now that we have some wood here, we need to get a little extra. We need to make a space for oh fuck, you know. Let's put the wood there. There you go. Let's remember the spot. Now that you've collected some wood, you want to slowly cut it. Just. By the way, do you guys know about this trick? That if you take your knife and you stab right in between. Oh, look at that. Then you should be able to magically go out in the forest and hunt for very valuable items. Okay, so you gotta do our little fidget spinner call. Let's see. You guys see any fidget spinners yet? Let's try again. Yeah, that was a good one. Okay. Let's see. Oh fuck. Oh, I heard you, you sneaky son of a bitch. Look at this, guys. We found a fucking fidget spinner. And it's totally free. So what you want to do now is take this motherfucker. You want to throw it to living hell. Then afterwards, you want to pick up your knife again. Then you want to do a magic trick. Okay, so now once that magic trick is completed, you should have something that looks like this, a fire stick. Literally direct translated. So I'm gonna try to like hold the camera so you guys can still see something. There we go. This is so off angle. Fuck's sake. Just put. Oh fuck. Can we just rip it off? No? Okay. Then you light that motherfucker on fire. And then you have a torch. Let's see, does this work? Well, now what you want to do is just step it. Oh fuck! Watch out, you don't fall as well. Now magically out of nowhere, there should be a fire. And as you guys can see, we have a perfectly legit fire right here. It works 5 out of 10 times. Oh, I stepped on it. I'm so magic. I am a god of magic and oh fuck. And surviving, yes. Okay guys, that was very autistic. I don't even know why I did these things. But anyway, I want to say thank you so much for watching. Please comment, subscribe and like. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.